Welcome to Copenhagen. This is the first day of the trip. Earlier I went to a Guinness World Records museum which was good. So today I have got quite a lot planned. Not bad.
Wow.
There we go. Hold it.
Go, put it in. Push. Yeah.
Good.
Nice.
there is Copenhagen. It's an incinerator, but also an artificial mountain. You'll see that on a later video. Now we're in the best part of Copenhagen with the canal and beautiful buildings which have a resemblance to Amsterdam. It just makes Copenhagen so scenic and so beautiful, especially with the old buildings and boats and ships, especially people sailing along them. It just looks amazing. Now we're just on our next building. It's Christiansborg's Palace, which is a Danish parliament, and you can go up to a tower for free, and there's a restaurant as well, and you can see some amazing views of Copenhagen. Before we entered, basically we had to go through security like an airport, just because it's a parliament. Next up is the Danish Architecture Centre, where it's basically a very modern building inspired by Lego blocks put together. looks very interesting and you'll learn something new. Apparently, I did not know this until I went in there, that the Sydney Opera House was designed by a Danish architect. How cool is that? That's why I've always wanted to go to Australia, just because of the Sydney Opera House.